integrated treasury and financial management system for the Directorate of Accounts for the Union Territory of Daman and Diu. The Directorate of Accounts is pivotal for managing budgets, salaries, expenditures and revenues, as well as assisting other government departments, namely Collectorate, Electoral Office, Education, Medical and Health Services, Public Grievances, Child Development, Civil Supplies, Industries, Jail and Prosecution, Excise, Finance, Home, Pollution, Ports, Road Transport, Revenue, Rural and Urban Development, Agriculture, to name a few. In all, 63 departments fall under its purview, with 94 nodal offices spread in discrete geographical areas. They had particularly automated system at certain offices of principal accounts offices and non-check drawing and dispersing offices, while the operations at other offices in the Union Territory were manually. This handling of operations was complex, tedious, time-consuming and inaccurate. They found it increasingly difficult to track and interpret the data as well as financial transactions or produce meaningful and accurate reports in real time. The objective was to have a single secure system that would integrate all the operations for making an informed decision with improved efficiency. The system should be able to effectively monitor and control territory revenue, expenditure, and optimally utilize it for citizen-centric projects. The system would also facilitate various other tasks crucial to the governance with improved MIS reporting and charts. An integrated framework using Microsoft.NET 4.0 MVC, Silverlight Framework and MS SQL 2012 Enterprise Edition database server was built and successfully deployed. The solution offers accurate data and MIS reports in real time, which will help the Directorate of Accounts make informed decisions in real time regarding finances with the availability of data from different departments. The citizen-centric services are now delivered efficiently with assured confidence and secure transactions. The solution was developed with following modules: Finance Management System, Strong Room Operations, Bill Processing, Budgeting, Fund Management, Payments, Receipts and Account Reconciliation, Human Resource Management, Employee Service Cycle, Payroll, Claim Management, Loans, Tour Managements, Training Management, GPF Module, Pension, Audit, E-Stamping, Document Management System, UID or Aadhaar Authentication and Integration. The application was rolled out at 94 locations, 58 in Daman and 36 in Diu, after imparting a detailed training and hand-holding of operations. The application is under support and maintenance for 7 years post-Go Live.
Silvertouch Technologies Ltd., a CMMI Level 5 company, established in 1992, led by technocrats with a large resource pool. Silvertouch exhibits diversified domain expertise and multi-technology platform for software development. We are open to challenges and committed to customer service. We have worked extensively on web portals, SaaS applications, e-commerce, m-commerce, bespoke customized software development, mobile apps development on iPhone, iPad, Android, Windows 8, Windows CE and BlackBerry, enterprise mobility solutions, e-governance, m-governance, and high-end packaged software solutions from SAP, IBM, and Microsoft.